this is second part of that 2009 Infiniti M35. I got it started. You can hear it. This is the timing numbers. The last four. No, not the last four. 1, 21, 27, minus 2, minus 7. The reason it starts now is what I did. I unplugged the cam sensor back to intake cam sensor, and all of a sudden everything else came to play. The numbers started showing, the engine started, but it's not running good, and it's shutting off, and it shut off again. So cam sensor or timing, I think it's timing, but I gotta check. Thumb up and subscribe, please.